Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to your second how to program tutorial, and today we will be writing actual programs. But before you write any programs as a programmer, you need to write something called the comment statement. So what the comment statement basically is it's you as a programmer telling other programmers who wrote this program, what this program is about, and when this program was written. So here's my comment statement, and after you've written your comment statement, you can proceed into writing your programs. So the first word you need to type is put, all in lowercase, and you need to type whatever you want to put on the screen in quotation marks. So hi, and I obviously need to close the quotation mark. So now I obviously need to run this program. So I have two options. I can either click this run on the screen here, or I can tap F1 on my keyboard. So here's the first program we've written, and down the future tutorials I will teach you how to write more complicated programs. So don't worry, this is just a start. So this thing between the quotation marks is called a string, and I will tell you that computers are really stupid. It only copies whatever exactly is between the two quotation marks and put it on the screen. So let's say, and I'll prove to you what I mean by when I say computer is really stupid. So let's say I want to add another string. So when you want to add another string on the same line, it is essential that you put a comma. If you don't put a comma, it's not gonna work. So let's say I want to write how are you. Well, it seems good on the screen. So what is it like when I run it? So when you run it, you will discover that the computer doesn't put a space between hi and how are you. The reason is because, as I said, computers are really stupid. They don't assume that there's a space. You need to put it in there. So to solve it, you can simply put a space in between the hi and the closing quotation, and as you can see, it's gonna work now. And as there's a space between hi and how are you, or you can do it the other way and put a space between the beginning quotation mark and the how are you. So as you can see, it's the same result. Or you can do it the other way. So the other way is put a colon and put 3. And as you can see, again, it works. So what this colon and 3 means is it says, okay, so counting from the left, this hi is going to take up 3 characters, but as you can see, when I highlight it, it says only 2 characters is between the quotation mark. So the third character by default is going to be space. So that's how you get the space between hi and how are you. It's because there's supposed to be 3 characters. The string is supposed to use up 3 characters, but since hi only takes up 2 characters, the third character is gonna be a space. So I'm gonna show you something else just before this tutorial ends. So let's say I want to put how are you down here, and I'll take this colon 3. So as you can see, this hi and how are you, they're not on the same line. The reason is because obviously this put is on this how are you is under the hi, so on the screen it appears under the hi. So if you want them to be on the same line, what you must do is you need to click you put 2 periods after the string, which means outside the closing quotation. So as you can see, they appear on the same line. So as you can see, there is no space. So again, you can either put a space over here, or you could simply put colon 3. And so that's it for this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. If you have any question, don't be afraid, or don't hesitate to comment on the comment below, and I'll try my best to answer all your questions, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.